Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about certain rules of addition and subtraction. Now we will start.
Look at these rules. Number first, two or more common numbers called addends. Means सपोज कीजिए आप कोई दो या तीन नंबर्स ऐड करने जा रहे हैं, तो जो आपके पास नंबर अलॉटेड हैं, जो भी नंबर्स हैं, उन नंबर्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? एडेंड्स. If we have two numbers 75 and 98, these are called addends. When we add these numbers 75 plus 98, we get the sum of these numbers. Okay, bachcho? Now, certain properties of addition. If we change the order of addends, look at the second point, change. If we change the order of two addends, the answer remains the same. Means if we change the position of the addends, the sum remains the same. Do not change the sum. 75 plus 98, or if we can write also in this way, 98 plus 75. This is called order property of addition. In both the cases, answers remain the same. Your third point. Come to third point. The sum of any number and zero is that number itself. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में जीरो ऐड करें तो उसका जो सम आएगा, the number itself, वो नंबर खुद ही होगा. Means this is called additive property of zero. Okay, बच्चों, this is additive property of zero. If we added 75 plus zero, or we can take any number and want to add zero in that number, we will get the same digit, same number. 75 plus 0 is equal to 75. Fourth point, the way in which group the addends, हम किसी भी ग्रुप में, किसी भी फॉर्म में, किस तरह से भी ग्रुपिंग करके अगर हम addends को अरेंज करें तो उनका जो सम होगा वो हमेशा इक्वल होगा, सेम. किसी भी मेथड से हम उनको प्लस कर लें. This is called grouping or associative property of addition. Okay. Look at this example. There are three numbers, 7, 4, and 3. First of all, we are adding 7 plus 4. After adding 7 plus 4, we get 11. After 11, we added 3 in that number, we get 14. In our other side, right hand side, we see 7 plus 4 plus 3. But in this case, we are added 4 plus 3 first on one place. And after that, adding these two numbers, 4 plus 3, we get 7. And in this 7, again we add the remaining 7. We get again 14. Both the sides are equal. It means there is no change in the answer. Okay. Now come to subtraction. देखो बच्चों, जिस तरीके से मैंने आपको एडिशन में बताया था कि एडिशन में जो दो नंबर्स होते हैं, the numbers which we use to add they are called addends. But in subtraction, suppose I am explaining with giving an example. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. In this, 5 is larger number and 3 is smaller one. The larger number is called minuend and the smaller one is called subtrahend. Okay. When we subtract subtrahend from minuend, we get the difference. Means when we are subtracting 3 from 5, we get 2. Here, 2 is the resulting number, or we can say this is the difference. So, in subtraction, we are adopting some rules. Look at this question. Just like addition, we are also using the same method in subtraction. First of all, arrange the numbers in right places, right columns. If we have two numbers, 4,629 and the other one is 1,213. In this question, again, I am explaining you minuend and subtrahend. Minuend means larger number. In these numbers, larger one is 4,629 and the subtrahend is 1,213. Always remember, the larger one minuend is on the upper side and the subtrahend on the lower side. In subtraction, it is very important to follow this rule. Okay, never subtract number from lower side to upper side. Always subtract the number from upper side to lower side. Okay. First of all, arrange the digits in proper places. 4,629, you have to put 9 in ones column, 2 in tens column, 6 in hundred column, and 4 in thousand column. In the same way, we are arranging subtrahend number. 1 in thousand place, 2 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place, and 3 on ones place. After arranging these numbers at right places, right columns, we can easily differentiate. We can easily get the difference, okay, by subtracting these numbers. It's very easy if the minuend numbers are greater than the subtrahend numbers. In this case, we can easily subtract 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is an easy question. Now I am going to explain you a question by taking borrow. Borrow means उधार लेना. Suppose किसी के पास इतने नंबर ही नहीं है वो किसी को दे सके, या किसी के पास इतने रुपीज ही नहीं है. अगर सपोज करो आपसे कोई आपके ब्रदर या सिस्टर आपसे बोलते हैं कि भाई मुझे आपके पास 5 टॉफीज है और आपसे आपका ब्रदर बोलता है कि मुझे 7 टॉफीज दे दे. हाउ कैन यू गिव देम द टॉफीज? आपके पास तो 5 ही टॉफीज है, तो आप क्या करोगे? अपने पापा से थोड़े से और ले लोगे. दिस वी कॉल बोरो. हमने अपने पापा से, उन्होंने बच्चे ने अपने पापा से बोरो कर लिया. इन द सेम वे, look at this question. 1000, 100, tens, ones. You have two numbers, minuend and subtrahend. Minuend is 7,245 and the subtrahend is 3,867. When you are going to subtract these numbers, you can see you can't subtract 7 from 5 because 5 is smaller and 7 is larger. So 7 can take borrow from where? From tens place number. 5 ने क्या किया? इस 10 प्लेस वाले नंबर से बोरो कर लिया, उधार ले लिया. उसने उधार ले लिया. कितना लिया? 10. 10 वाला तो 10 ही देगा ना बेटा. 10th प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है वो 10 नंबर देगी. तो इट मींस जब जहां पर 1st प्लेस पे आपके 5 डिजिट 5 थी, तो जब उन्होंने 10th प्लेस से उधार ले लिए तो उनके पास कितने आ गए? उन्होंने बोरो किए तो 5 के कितने बन गए? 15. और 15 में से अब आप 7 इजीली माइनस कर सकते हैं. ओके. After minusing, when you are subtracting 7 from 15, you get 8. Now the remaining number is 10th place is 3 because he has already given 10 to 1st place number. So here is 3 and we can't subtract 6 from 3. So again this 10 will be borrowed from 100 place number. So here 100 place number, again give 10 to 10th place number. So here is 3, it will become 13 and we can easily subtract 6 from 13, we get 7. Now come to 100 place number. Here 1 is remaining, so again 100 place number, again borrow some numbers from 1000. So 1000 again give 10 to 100 place. So here we get 11 and 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Here remaining number is 6. We can easily subtract 6 from 3. We get 3. In this way, we can solve these questions in a very easygoing way. So please try to do more practice of these questions. There are some story sums also. On a particular day, a shopkeeper received rupees 5,928 and gave out rupees 5,021. How much money is left with him at the end of the day? देखो बच्चों, remember Always remember, if there is a left in the question, it means it is a need of question to subtract the digits. If in a particular question left is given, left, he is asking for left, that means subtract the numbers. तो इस क्वेश्चन में शॉपकीपर ने क्या किया, 5,928 रुपीज रिसीव किए और उन्होंने 5,021 रुपीज दे दिए. हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट विद हिम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. पूरे दिन के बाद में उनके पास कितने पैसे बचे, कितने रुपीज बचे. सब्ट्रैक्ट, यू कैन इजीली सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर. लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन. Money left at the end of the day is rupees 5,928. इसमें से किसको माइनस करना है, rupees 5,021. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. And 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Means shopkeeper के पास rupees 907 left. इतने rupees बचे. Okay. Now look at second question. Mr. Khan has rupees 9,231 in his bank account. He withdraw an amount which left him rupees itne in the account. 2,552 in the account. How much money did he withdraw? Mr. Khan के पास बैंक अकाउंट में 9,231 रुपीज थे. उन्होंने क्या किया, लास्ट में जब अपना बैंक अकाउंट चेक किया, कुछ अमाउंट निकलवाने के बाद उन्होंने देखा अरे मेरे अकाउंट में तो 2,552 रुपीज ही हैं. तो उन्होंने कितने रुपीज विड्रॉ किए, मिस्टर खान ने बैंक से कितने रुपीज विड्रॉ किए. इन दिस केस वी ऑल्सो सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ द नंबर्स. टेक द सॉल्यूशन. Rupees 9,231 and the balance at the end of the day 2,552. He withdraw rupees after difference. After getting difference, we can find how much money Mr. Khan withdraw from his account. So we will adopt same method here. You can't subtract 2 from 1. So this one carry a borrow from tens place number, means at ones place number here is 11 and 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. The remaining number at tens place is 3. Again 3 we can't minus 5 from 3. So again this 3, but this 3 has given one number to the ones place digit. So here is only 2. Number 2. So it can borrow 1 from 100 place. So here is 12 and 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Again, look at 100 place digit. Here is 1. Again 1 में से 5 minus हम नहीं कर सकते. तो इस this 100 place digit again borrow some from 1000 place number. So here is 11. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. And here is remaining number is 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So the answer will be rupees 6,679. Okay. Now you can see last question. Look at this question. No, this is D part. Suresh deposited in the bank rupees 3,037 on Monday, rupees 898 on Tuesday, and 5,986 on Wednesday. He withdraw rupees 4,879 on Thursday. What is the balance in his account after the withdrawal? देखो बच्चों, सुरेश रोज बैंक जाता था, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, और हर रोज कुछ पैसे उसने बैंक में जमा करके आता था. मंडे में उसने कितने रुपीस डिपॉजिट किए, 3,037 रुपीस. ट्यूसडे में कितने डिपॉजिट किए, 898, और वेडनेसडे में कितने किए, 5,986. तो उसने बैंक में कितने सारे रुपए जमा कर दिए, कितने डिपॉजिट कर दिए. तो हमें सबसे पहले इसमें हमारी डबल प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ऐड द नंबर्स. Which numbers? the money deposited in the bank on Monday, on Tuesday, and on Wednesday. We will add these numbers, and after adding these numbers, we will subtract the withdrawal amount. Look at this answer. Look at this solution. Here, total amount deposited by Suresh is 3,037, 898, 5,986 rupees. First of all, write these numbers in proper columns. Okay. When we add these numbers, we get the amount of 9,921, and when we subtract 4,879 from this balance, 9,921, we get the difference 5,042 rupees. So this is the answer. Now your last question is, there are 8,000 students studying in an university. 4,199 are boys. How many girls are there in the university? देखो बच्चों, एक यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर 8,000 स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ते हैं, जिसमें से 4,199 क्या है? बॉयज. तो उसमें गर्ल्स कितनी हैं? वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. When you subtract boys from total number of students, you will get the number of girls. Total students 8,000, boys 4,199, girls are, again subtract the numbers. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, and the last digit, 1000 place digit is 7. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay. This is all for you today. Okay.